this project, you will need a large piece of fabric, and this can be any fabric of your choice. I'm using cotton. You'll also need a printout of your design, and be sure to print this mirrored, especially if you have any scripts or writing on it. You'll also need some Mod Podge, a paintbrush, some water, just any regular kitchen sponge, some scissors, a craft mat, and if you don't have a craft mat, you can also use some parchment paper or baking paper. So I've gone ahead and folded my fabric and I pinned it with some paper clips just so that the fabric doesn't get in the way. And you want to decide where you want your transfer to be. So once you've decided that, go ahead and place your paper over that baking paper. Next, take your paintbrush, and you're gonna need to add a very thick layer of the Mod Podge all over that paper. And you want it to be thick enough so that your design is almost completely covered. And just spread that very well. Once you've done that, carefully peel off your design and go ahead and position that on your fabric with the Mod Podge facing down. And just make sure you smooth over any air bubbles, and just don't press it too hard because you don't want your Mod Podge going everywhere all over the fabric. And then place this somewhere safe and just leave it to dry for about 24 hours. So once that dried, take your water and your sponge, and you're gonna gently wet that paper. And go ahead and use some kitchen paper if you feel like you're wetting the fabric too much. And once your fabric is completely wet, gently start rubbing it with your finger. And you want to be very gentle at this point because you might end up rubbing your design off. So just keep gently rubbing off that paper until you can actually see your design. And you can see here the paper started to dry out, so I added a little bit more water. When you finish rubbing all the paper off and you're happy with the result, allow this fabric to completely dry. You can see here what that looks like, and the colors are not very vibrant. And the way that you can change that is you can add a layer of Mod Podge over that design, and what that will do is it will add a little bit of shine to the design, but it will also protect that paper, darken your design, and make it a lot more vibrant. So go ahead and add a thin layer of the Mod Podge all over that print, and allow this to dry completely. And once you've done that, your transfer is complete. Now you can go ahead and use this fabric for whatever project you would like to do. And just remember, you can add any print you like, so you can totally personalize this transfer the way you want. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys next time. Bye! I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive updates when I post new videos. And also, if you could take a minute to click the like button, that would really help this channel and show some support. Thanks for watching. Bye!